All right, here's another movie for maybe the advanced Canvas user that wants to do some cool things that when they're developing content in their pages. We're going to get another thing from the Commons. So if you click the Commons, I have another little page in here called Expandables. Let's see, is that enough? There we go. Expandables. So if you click on Expandables, and then you're going to import, and you're going to click your course and then just import into course. So it says you have successfully started the import. It may take a little while. Okay, so I'm going to go to my course, Kerman course, and usually it'll say up here that it's still importing, but it looks like it might have went already and did it fast. So I'm going to click on my pages and view all pages, and yep, it's already in there. So there's a page here called Expandables, and of course you can change the name of that page, but what does it do? So we have this question. It says, like, what is 4 cubed? And if I click on that, it actually shows a little drop down here, and it shows you kind of how to solve it. You can click on it again, and it disappears. So you can do an expandable. So kind of some information down below. Okay, so how does this work? So if you edit the page, and you can change your title if you want, there's just a question in here, and it's like, where's the answer, and how's everything working here? So it's kind of confusing. So the reason this is advanced is because you have to look into the code of this. So whenever you're going to work with this, you have to click on the code icon down here, switch to the HTML editor, and look at this code. And so what we see here is we have a header 4, and then inside there's a span, an open span and a closed span. And this is called, there's a class called element toggler, and this is what is allowing this all to happen. So there's a whole bunch of stuff here. You don't really need to understand almost any of it. Maybe this will be something a little bit cool. Aria expanded equals false. What that means is that when the page loads, that it won't already be expanded. It'll be false. So if you wanted it to be expanded already, you could actually change this to true, and then when the page loaded, you'd see the question and you'd see the answer, but that kind of defeats the purpose. So anywhere, right in here in between this angle bracket here and this angle bracket, you type your question. You put in some kind of a question. And then down here, there's a UL, which stands for unordered list. And then there's the LI and closed LI, which stands for list item. And then in this list item down here, you're going to be putting kind of what the answer is. Okay? So down here, you could have a whole bunch of different things that are going to be in the expandable section. So I think, let's see, I could do another list item in here. I could just type in, let's see, I guess I could probably do, I haven't tried this, I could just copy the list item, do something else here, and do, maybe I'll just put this part here, and I could do something like that, kind of maybe a two-parter or something. And I click Save. And so if I click on this, I get two of these things here. Okay, so you can do some expandable content with those. I'll just show you one little thing here that I've showed in all these videos that I've done this. You'll notice there's a little emoji right here. So I go to emojipedia.org, and I could click on something. Let's get a radioactive symbol. I click copy, and then I can just come back here and I could actually type it. You can even type it into the thing. No, it didn't come out nice and colored, but oh well. So I can do that, save it, and when I click on it, now you'll see, oh, it can work, I guess, in there. Okay, so you can actually do these little emojis at Emojipedia and just copy them, and you can use those anywhere, technically anywhere in Canvas.